this could be. Hey everyone! Ugh. Hey, how's it going everyone? It's been a while since I made a video. As you can see, I'm in a different room. So if some of you are not following me on Instagram, I just recently bought my own place back in September. Yeah, early September, and it's been a long process moving all my things from my parents' house to my new place. It's been a real mess. This room is my office specifically. As you can see, I got a bunch of stuff here, and I've been recording like a couple of videos when I was first moving in, but I just haven't had the time to put any kind of video together, and just been so busy with work. Yeah, so I mean, Black Friday just happened not too long ago, and you know, I was in the on Amazon obviously, and I remembered that because autocross was finished, I needed a new helmet, and my current helmet right now. So as you can see, I have it in the box still. So this is my helmet, is a Zamp helmet that I got. I'll just quickly show you what I have. Just kind of go a little bit more in depth. So I have a little bag and everything for it too. So these are, I ordered this from Apex Performance back in 20, I don't remember, 2016, 15, no, 13 I think. So obviously Zamp helmet. So this is my current helmet. As you guys see in my video, so just the original color of this helmet was a matte black. It's just gloves that I wear. This was originally matte black, and then after a while the helmet got like sticky because of the material that they used for the matte black. And then one day I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go to town and clean it all up, and next thing you know, it's a gloss black. This is the original undercolor of the matte, so yeah, it's kind of nice. This visor is it's a different visor. Normally it comes with the clear visor, which is here, but I didn't like the clear, so I got this one instead. So this is a iridium visor, so it just has like a tint to it, and then carbon fiber wrap the air scoop, the hood, air scoop on the top of this. This is originally clear as well, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Stickers obviously all around, the CCA and everything. But the thing is, this was rated for Snell SA 2010, and it is already 2022, so technically I'm already way past the expiration and allowance of this helmet for SCCA and anything else. So because Black Friday was recently around the just previously happened, I ordered me a brand new helmet just from Zamp. Same thing, same exact design from Zamp, but it's just updated to the Snell SA 2020 regulations. So that should keep me safe, my head safe at least, for the next coming years. And so that's what this box is. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this helmet on the side, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this brand new helmet. Alright, here we go. So as you can see, brand new Zamp box. Brand new. So this is the RZ36 helmet from Zamp. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and it looks like it's backwards. Oh, it's a new material. Yeah, definitely a different material for the helmet. So go ahead and open this up. Ooh, wow. You know, some foam. So instead of black, I got white this time because they don't have. The only other color in is other than this is matte black, and knowing what the previous one having a matte black helmet, I know that material is gonna go bad eventually. So I decided to get a white helmet instead, and here it is. So yeah, as you can see, Snell 2020, and looks exactly the same. As far as you can tell, so like the vent style in the front is exactly the same. It's kind of hard to see. The design in the back is exactly the same too, and the hood, the one on the top, the air vents on the top look exactly the same. So the only thing about this white one is it doesn't come with this this scoop on the top. So I think it looks like it transfers over. So I'm just gonna put this on top here because there's existing plugs and everything for this. So I think I just gotta take this off. Yeah, this is my new helmet. Actually, I should try it on first, obviously. This is just an owner's manual. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this, which I don't have scissors. So. Nice hair, but so this is a large, because my other one was also a large. So this should fit me perfectly. Yep. Seems to fit pretty well. Yep. So, I mean, feels exactly like the old one. So I think the only thing is, I'm going to transfer this shield onto this one, because it looks like it fits perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll see how this one looks. Oh, it looks different. Wow. Okay. So on the original, my original helmet, you can see, so there's these hinges that kind of guide it, go up and down. These originally had looks like a hex socket head screw over here, and there's a flat head here to, this is the hinge obviously here. Same thing on this side. But looking at the new one, looks like it's a flat head here. And then this one's still the same. So that's kind of good. I'm still trying to get used to everything because not all my tools are where they need to be right now. So, alright, I got a flathead screwdriver here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. So I think you just start by loosening these hinges on the side first. So there's these ones on the side. Then I think this one also. Alright. Oops. It's okay. It's only the clear one, so not too worried. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this on the side, and then so for this one I need to obviously loosen this first. And then this one, I don't remember what size this requires, so I think I lost the original. Oh, is this the one? Yeah, seems like it's the one. This is a 2.5 millimeter. Yeah, 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench that I'm using. So, okay, so I noticed there's a washer that goes with it, so I gotta find the other one. Yep, so there's the second one. So this is the iridium shield originally for this one. This is the RZ34. So this has seen its fair use of abuse, so happy to retire this one. Although I wish it had came in black, but there's only so much you can ask for, you know? So this should fit properly, which it looks like it does, which is perfect. Nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back on, and then we should be good to go. So it's pretty simple. You have this big one on the outside, goes here. You have a washer, plastic washer, and it goes here. Then you have this one that goes on the side here. There we go. And it still functions the same way. I just gotta adjust the screw. Right. Alrighty. So yeah. Just kind of have to work in the visor with the new helmet and everything. Just gotta adjust the screws, but it's holding pretty well. So yeah. So that's the new helmet. So I'll probably transfer over the air vent scoop on the top later on. I think I gotta try and remove these little plastic caps first, but other than that, yeah. So yeah, it's been a while since I made a video, and sorry about that, but hopefully once I kind of get everything kind of settled and kind of situated here at my new place, I will get back to making some new videos. I did just get some new tires, just so you guys know. I got some, so I had to replace my old Toyo Proxies that I was running for the longest time on my car, and they were great tires. They're great daily tires, but it's seen its fair share of wear because I do use it for autocross and daily driving to and from work and everywhere else. And so, you know, having a 280 tread wear tire that's dual purpose, it kind of eats up at the tire quite a bit. And you know, it was just time. I got new tires also from Tire Rack because of the Black Friday sale, which I took advantage of. So the brand new tires I got were the Indy 500s, the Firestone Firehawk Indy 500 tires. Those are like a 300 rated plus tread wear tire, but they said it was pretty good for both daily and autocross, and so I figured, you know what, I'll try it out. They were the only tire that I could find that was at least performance driven ish and daily driving combination that was in my size. And so my SSR Type F wheels are 16 by 7s, and the Toyo Proxies that I had the tires were 195 55 R16, and so I got exactly the same size because I remember when I was running 205 on my Federal tires, it was kind of rubbing against the fender, and so I kind of want to keep it at 195. It seems like a pretty good happy medium where it's kind of like a good square setup. There's not much poke on the tires outside the wall, the tire fender and everything. So, but yeah, I like it so far. I've heard reviews from all my other friends and fellow racers say that, you know, it's a good street tire, great in the wet, but obviously none of them have tried driving with it because a lot of my other friends and they also race with different tires specifically for autocross. But I'm gonna try it out hopefully next season, and you know, we'll see how it goes. But here is just, I'm just gonna post some photos of the tires I've just installed. I've had about a week of breaking them in. I still have to do an alignment on my car, but obviously trying to get my house situated because I just had Thanksgiving party here, but I need to get it ready for Christmas. So I'm gonna have another Christmas party here at my house, kind of like a welcoming party. So, but yeah, so that's kind of everything that's happened lately. Sorry I haven't been posting much. It's just been crazy since getting a house, and yeah, but just if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram already, that's kind of the area I kind of keep the most updated, kind of post the most things, mainly on my story. I post a few things here and there on my Instagram feed, but just kind of daily stuff. You can kind of keep up with me on Instagram, just kind of watch my stories and all that. If I don't make another video after this one, I will probably see you guys next year. With that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe for more videos. Happy holidays and a happy new year, and I will see you in the next video. Shoots!